The practice of claiming to have a family connection to someone else, even though they are not closely related, is known as fictive kinship, and it was a common practice in the ancient world. For example, in the Bible, the Israelites were divided into 12 tribes. However, there were more people in ancient Israel than just those who descended from these early ancestors. The Bible mentions Egyptians, Canaanites, or others who were likely adopted into these tribes. This common practice can illuminate some aspects of the Book of Mormon. Just as some ancient Near Eastern people had a fictive kinship relationship with the 12 tribes of Israel, so might there have been some ancient New World natives who could have had a fictive kinship relationship with the 7 tribes of Lehi. It is nearly certain that all the Book of Mormon groups encountered other people when they arrived in the New World, and that some of these other people joined with them. It appears that most of those who joined took upon them the tribal names of their new societies. This explains certain parts of the Book of Mormon, like how Nephi built a city and temple with so few family members, or how there were so many early wars with large casualties. From examples like these, we can see how the ancient common practice of fictive kinship helps us better understand the Book of Mormon. And now you know why.